The recipe is available in different languages of the world. Turn on the caption, CC, and select your desired language. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Dough preparation. For this video I am using a food processor, but you can knead the dough with hand in a bowl as well. Add 2 cup all-purpose flour, ½ cup caster sugar, 2 teaspoons instant yeast, 1 teaspoon vanilla powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 50 grams melted butter, ½ cup light warm milk. Fermentation for 2 hours. 2 hours later. Roll into 1/2-inch thick flat bread. Take circle shape cutter. Now take bottle cap for making small holes. Cover and rest for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later. Heat the oil for fry. Fry the doughnuts on medium flame. Flip the side. Fry till it turn golden brown. Doughnuts glaze preparation. For chocolate glaze, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, ½ cup caster sugar, 1½ tablespoon milk, ½ teaspoon vanilla powder. Mix it well. Chocolate glaze is ready. For white glaze, take ½ cup caster sugar, 2 tablespoons milk powder, 1½ tablespoon milk, ½ teaspoon vanilla powder. Mix it well. White glaze is ready. For strawberry glaze, add 1 tablespoon strawberry crush into white glaze. Mix it well. Strawberry glaze is ready. For chocolate doughnuts. For white glazed doughnuts. For strawberry glazed doughnuts. Decorate with colorful and chocolate sprinkles. Homemade doughnuts are ready. Enjoy your meal. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.